What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back, guys. If you're here for the very first time, smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, for everybody else, welcome back. All right, I want to give you guys a quick update on some affiliate marketing programs, okay, that you should take a look at, okay, when you're considering making money online. With these programs, you can get paid instantly, guys, any way you want. You can specify how you want to get paid. I want to come back and show you guys another payment I received right here, $400, okay, where someone went to Walmart and sent me the cash, okay. So I want to show you a few of these programs and go check them out. The link is in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info, www.getpaidfromhome.info, okay, and you'll see a few different programs, okay. Go take a look. We're going to go through them really quickly, but I want you to go check them out, okay. So just showing you guys how you can receive cash, credit card payments, Zelle payments, Cash App payments, Venmo, any way you want, okay? And definitely cash. All you gotta do is specify it in your profile, okay? All right, so let's go through a few really quickly, okay? Okay, once you opt in to the page, you're gonna see this page right here where I've actually listed a few. Now we're not gonna do the crypto. I'm gonna do that on a separate video, but I want to run through these real quick. All right, this program right here, it's a blueprint to show you how to make $300 a day using social media. This is a great training, okay? A great training that you can get to show you how to do that. So let's take a look at it real quick, and you need to go look at it and make a decision. If you have any questions, give me a call, but let's check it out. All right, my screen is running slow. Hang on a second. Okay, there we are. Whenever we're recording, it does that. All right, this program right here, IPS Infinity Processing System, a great 3-step system to show you how to start receiving 100% commissions, guys, by posting on social media. Social media is powerful, okay, let me tell you. Okay, I know a lot of folks don't want to do social media, but I'm just letting you know there's a lot of ways you can do it, though. But this training right here also includes Craigslist. So if you don't want to do social media, you can do Craigslist, guys. But go check this one out. They have 3 training, digital training products here, okay? The $50 influencer brand marketing. They have the internet automation secrets and the 6-figure blueprint. So this one will be $50 plus $25. There's no monthly fees. The $25 is for the admin, for them to create your website. So that one's going to be $50 plus $25. This one's $150 plus $25. And then if you just go all in, you get all 3 for $325. Okay. So go check this one out. Just go to that link and you'll get access to this. Watch this video. Okay. It's going to explain it. And then see if it's something you're interested in. And it comes with pre-written ads, guys. You can't beat that. You don't have to worry about, well, what should I say on my ads? Even Craigslist, okay? So go check this one out. Next one. All right, one of my most favorite, this is coming to be one of my most favorite ones, is this closing center, DWP, Digital Wealth Pros. You can earn $200, $400, $800, and $1,500 commissions. That's what I got right here, $400, okay? So receive them any way you want. This company offers a closing center that's going to take all the calls, okay? They're going to answer all the questions. When folks go to your website like this, they're going to see this number, they're going to make the call, they're going to give your ID, and this company is going to close the sales. The whole sales process is done through them, and they're going to tell the folks to send you the money, okay? And then they're going to communicate with you via email to let you know they're talking to your prospects. Okay, so you're going to know the status at all times and what's going on. If the call center is really working on your behalf, you'll know because they'll send you an email. Okay, so this is another one to check out. The lowest product in this one is $297. So $297, $497, $997, and $19.97. $19.97, you're all in. Okay, you get all the products. All right, so again, this is digital marketing, affiliate marketing. This is a great way to start your own online digital business, guys, using affiliate marketing where someone else has done all the work. Okay, you don't have to create the products. There's no monthly fees here. Okay, they've done all the work. All you've got to do is promote the programs. That's what affiliate marketing is. Promoting other people's products. Okay, so this is another great one. Okay, so go check it out. Next up, MAP, another great system. Okay, MAP, this one you're collecting $247 payments. Well, this one is just one level. The other program, I forgot to mention, DWP does not have any pass-ups. Okay, no pass-ups, no one-ups. MAP does have a one-up. Okay, the very first sale you make, you get your money back, the $247, and then you pass up your second sale. Everybody passes up their second sale. This is what gives you leverage with this program. One-time costs. All these programs is one-time investment. This one is $280 to get started. $247 to the person that invited you, and then $33 to the company. And you get this website. You get a total all-in-one system. Same with DWP, a whole marketing suite, autoresponder, all that's included. My name is on here as well. Okay, proof of payments here. So this is a sales page, a one-stop sales page that's going to close the sales for you. Okay, so that's how this one works. But you earn $247 over and over and over, any way you want. This one comes with a back office with postcards. If you want to mail postcards, they've already created all that for you. Okay, so does the DWP. I'm still working on my other one, my postcard for DWP as well. But one page closer right here. Okay, so $280, you're all in, and you get this system. Everything's included, autoresponder and marketing system. Okay, paid any way you want. All right, that's MAP. Next up. Okay, I think this is still a great program. TechSpot. All you got to do is promote a phone number, guys. Okay, and then Ava's going to close the sales for you. You make $100 over and over and over. So for $150, you can get this system. I think it's been around like 2 years now. Okay, so this is a great way to get started with artificial intelligence. Okay, so TechSpot, another great one. All right, so the link is in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. You'll see access to all this. Okay, so $150, you're all in. All right, next up. Okay, this is a system that offers you personal development, unlock elevation. You definitely should check this out. So not only are you able to make $700 commissions with this, but you're able to get personal development. Okay, everybody needs personal development. If you're starting an online business or a business in general, you must have personal development. And I think Marcus Taylor does a great job of conveying that. Okay, so go check this out as well. Make $700 commissions instantly over and over and over and over. Okay, promoting personal development, guys. Okay. Okay, and the next one up, and actually I found out it's going into 8 years for Exodus Elite, another digital marketing program, affiliate marketing program with digital products. You're able to earn anywhere from $100 up to $2,000. They've got 5 levels with this one. Okay, they've been around for quite a while now. They've been in the game, like I said, almost 8 years. Great website. Everything is here as well for you to learn how to market online. That's what this is all about, guys, affiliate marketing. So you got the G100, the G250, the G500, the G1000, and the G2000. Now they recently added a call center to theirs as well. Again, it's not on the website where you can see it out front like DWP. I haven't used it personally, but I do know this program is a great program just within itself. Okay, digital marketing training. Okay, so training is always great. Okay, learning equals earning. Okay, if you're not learning, you're not going to earn. That's just the bottom line. So this is another great one, Exodus Elite. All right, guys. So you can get started with this one for as low as $149. Okay, with their program. Let's take a look here real quick. Okay, G100. So it's going to be, again, no monthly fees. See right here, 49. So 149 gets you in there. Okay, if you want the 250 product, it's 250 plus 99. Okay, and so forth. So another great digital marketing program. All right. Okay, and I'm going to do an update on the crypto projects. I've made some changes. My next one and my last one is the Conversion Pros. This program has been around, what, 7 years, I believe it is. And you can become an affiliate, guys, and earn $25 instant commissions every Friday. They pay every Friday like clockwork. You can get the debit card through them that they have, or you can just have them pay you directly through your bank. You can get started with this for free for 2 weeks. They give you access to join for free for 2 weeks to try the whole system out. You get access to everything. If you decide you want to become an affiliate, it's $50 a month. Every time one of your members pays their $50 every month, you make $25. So it's residual. Okay, so you get paid every Friday, and then every month that they make their payment of their membership, you can get that $25. Okay, over and over and over until they cancel their membership. Me personally, I've been with the Conversion Pros for 3 years, I believe. So the person I joined, just think, every month they're getting $25 from me, and if they've got 30 and 40 more people doing that, that's residual income, guys. I've showed you where I've made over 10K with this program personally. Okay, and that's with me not really promoting it as a primary business. That's just indirectly promoting the marketing system that they give you to use. Okay, so you get your own websites that's coded to you as an affiliate when you join. Right here, see it says become an affiliate partner. Okay, so you earn $25 commissions over and over and over, unlimited. Okay, the website does the selling. This one also comes with an app, which is awesome way to run your business. Okay, so another great one. So those are the ones that I am promoting at this time far as online affiliate programs, and we'll talk about the crypto ones. I'll do another video on those because I've made an update. All right, guys, so if you're interested in making these instant commissions any way you want or through Walmart, go check that link out. Get started. Get with me. Any one of those programs. Let's go back real quick. Any one of these, the $300, the DWP map, or the big ticket, any one of those, if you decide to get started, I'll run your first campaign for you. Okay, so your paid advertising will be done via myself. Okay, on that first run. All right, guys, so with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Thank you so much. Like the video. Be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.